Here we see the bending of the C-bout. I used ammonia, a little fabric softener. I don't know if the fabric softener really helped much, but you can see that I curled it over. It's enough for the two, it's wide enough to cut it in half so you can get the two bouts out of one piece. Now I did one full sheet from a vegetable crate, and then this is the result put into what we did yesterday, which was putting the blocks here, 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 and then it holds its shape pretty good. You just got to squeeze it a little bit. I glued the four corners, put that in, and you just squeeze them, and then they pop out. The blocking is just to keep the 8.5 by 6.5 up top, and that's the bottom block. I haven't done the top one yet, but I'll true up the center line